Anna use this. You're the lie.
Nasty footer hype. You can't class me.
Wait till the views. Come on, go over here. Go over here.
Reviews them. See views them open on. Nasty footer hype. You can't class me. You never enter my dojo yet. Your mouth big no blood clot. A while ago me I look on you. Your mouth big and fair when you call them I give birth over Riverton. Footer hype, you don't know about blood clot me. Get real. Me want part my Batman. Cause the Batman you set good. Him smell good. Him fix up properly in a blood clot. I want to hear about. Get real, man. Get real, man. That's not no blood clot there because any idea no jump in a fire no how fire blood clot blaze. You never know. The first thing lick you is that strokes in your blood clot mouth. Cause you suck like eat and blood clot taste. You use your mouth rapidly like when it was a water blood clot garden. Nasty footer hype. You can't class me, I'm a blood clot general. I lie you I tell. Get real. Me don't know how you reaching at this. I wish train bus bike or blood clot van carrier you so. Eh? Nasty foot hype. Your body will deep no blood clot like precipitate. Everything go down in night last. Foot hype your mouth bigger tongue even a blood clot like England spread. Nasty foot hype. A second me that second. Me that second for come up on you. You know about blood clot me? You ever grow me yet? Are your pussy clot friend Steve my microwave because she said somebody send her it and she forgot collect it.
Them at share walk tell people about how me I tell you so she not tell the people them share walk talk call me name. Me know that woman.
As she said she forgot collect it yet still she never blood clot collect it. My ask her say how it come out her phone. She said to her birthday. It erased out her phone. Me no bother watching a blood clot face. She go behind me back and I tell people send money. Come I have proof from my blood clot phone. Nasty footer hype. Germs back blood clot footer hype. Me have proof from phone. But she go up on phone and tell people send money come. Because I get microwave already. You know about blood clot me nasty footer hype. You out of order. Get real man. You don't mess with blood clot fire when you see fire. Because you don't know what behind. You don't know what behind if a water or a smoke there behind it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't get there. Don't get blood clot there. A whole heap of things shadow mess us up it. A whole heap of things. I mean if not put that on my blood clot head. Ask in front of me or behind me. Me hear people that say me a class. I'm ask them what is class because them don't hear my class are up to now. So what is blood clot class? You jump in. Now where you come from man? And where your blood clot enter from? And where you come from? Get real, man. Now mix up with blood clot. Good people coming like mix up with mongrel dog. You come like them big waff blood clot that will control airport. Ever meet them have to scour them? But blood clot batty boy. You ever fuck him yet? You ever fuck him yet? And your blood clot never fuck him and come back come tell you. You never talk too much because him suck him out too. You never suck him blood clot hood. Me not ask Christ. Me blood clot Barbara said that. Yeah. You're outside on a blood clot. You're right here. But you come a class and come live. You forgot dead. If life not fit you. You want a blood clot made a respect. Life not fit you. You know about blood clot batty man? Eh? I want to sit down and plan an attack. Come up real man. Come real. How you reaching on my blood clot thing? Eh? But nasty Barbra ever clean my blood clot pussy on my body yet? Batty boy. Suck pussy boy. You ever clean my blood clot batty on my pussy yet? You're outer than a blood clot. You're bright here. I grow good. My mother name is calling me the blood clot Dolly. Dolly fit me. Take a good look in at the book. I miss a blood clot Dolly. I'm a general blood clot place comfortable. And if it told you, you're outside that. When you see fire don't run in it, you run out of it because you may think of smoke there, but water can do the wash away. Don't do that. Don't get there. You come like them big immigration blood clot fly.
When you check the levels go, every woman mix up put a hype in her and you say my select him, say my money.
Every blood clot woman mix up your inner. Ya what?
You never see that woman.
Ya what?
Be woman mix up the money now.
Me know ginger fly fall a crab. You come like the big immigration blood clot fly them with them eye blue, green and yellow. At that, can you show your mouth big? Take a good look no man. Look back into the blood clot book no man.
You know what the funniest thing? You saw me live a lease flat in a Red Hills. When I live up in a Red Hills, a lease flat. The man used to borrow man, me car for the pump him tired and the man all sneaking batty man because
people all foot are ripe reaching at this. Me a foot I not have nothing, so I'm reaching at this. I'm reaching a woman problem. Me forgot about blood clot pampute. Me never remember about pampute. He ma call pampute name. And I ring up and I go on. Nobody no business with pampute. Pampute I live her life. Me I live my one to the fullest. Oh, him reaching at this. Nasty foot hype. Oh, your blood clot reaching at this. Oh, you reaching a blood clot this. Get real, man. When you see blood clot people from walk away from trouble, man. See the walk line, the white line and hold it straight. Don't cross it. When I come to about ungrateful, but Pampute do me, she used to push me in a pram, eh? She used to hold my hand and cross Riverton, blood clot road, the busy road. What do you mean ungrateful? She have been posting my blood clot picture and I write up some things for my page. And I tell her to stop. And I ask her in front of me and behind her, I tell her to stop. So what the problem for? Eh? She not give me no blood clot money. She give me 8 grand, and I thank her fit and she say, boy, some people need to get ray. Me never know how much blood clot, how much the man get. Me never want to call the big man name. Because me was interested. I ask her in front of me, enough time she came to place, me not ask her how much she get. So also much on the reach in my thing. When you check on the background, man, because you nasty in a blood clot and slimy. When you come like when people step in a blood clot slime. When you go check on the background, I now make you take up my time, you know. I now make you take up my blood clot time. Can you see me narrow? You know, so me narrow. I come like look at blood clot book full of them. You know, big and broad, you know, nasty no blood clot. Don't you throat a piece of center come up. I don't have a pit plant down in the throat. No man no want to know. Some of the blood clot, man, the girl now look pound no. Nah, girl. I'm if I told you. Outside on a blood clot, you get this thing straight. Every minute you come out, you comment. You not go look at blood clot farm work and see if you can hold a flight. Because flight now worry me and my blood clot general. I we say, live up to the fullest. Yeah, that you say. Me and my fans them, live up to the fullest. You see, who not like it, or chuck off. Or buy a castic and go lie down in it. Because it look like biscuit. Aisha and a Pepsi done and the back just leak out in your blood clot face. Big dirty nasty boy. You feel them big dirty chuck over river and take up the rubbish them. You know about me? You ever clean me up yet? Go get a blood clot, red lipstick and rub it on your lip and come give me a keep on my pussy jar. If you want something to do to the big Sunday, go and get yourself a red lipstick or a blue one and come give me an icky on my pussy jar. Batty boy, go suck your mama.